This hotel was built in the early 60s. It opened in June of 1962, actually. And at the time, Atlanta was a hotspot relative to civil rights activities. A lot of the basis behind this hotel was the original developer, Dr. Marvin Goldstein. He was an immigrant. His family was an immigrant, and he believed in the fair treatment of all people. And so when he opened this hotel, it was the first hotel in downtown Atlanta to welcome people of all races. So the renovation consisted of a $16 million investment, and we really touched all areas of the building. We have gone into the guest rooms and pretty much redesigned the bathrooms so they look large. They're larger and they look very different, obviously. The guest rooms, color scheme-wise and design-wise and furnishings, all are looks and feels from materials and woods and so forth that harken back to the design elements that were used in the 60s. Mid-century modern, so you think if you're ever a fan of the Mad Men television series, there's great connections there. You're really in a central area of downtown. We've got the Tabernacle concert venue right behind us. We have Skyview Atlanta, which is the 40-story Ferris wheel. We've got Centennial Olympic Park. You're a 5-minute walk from the new Mercedes-Benz Stadium and the Georgia World Congress Center, as well as being just 5 minutes walk off of the Peachtree Street Business Corridor. So it really is a very central location where anybody who might be visiting Atlanta, whether it's for leisure or whether it's for business meetings or convention attendance, it's a concentric location for all of those people. So this hotel has about 19,000, just under 20,000 square foot of function space. That's all combined. That's our function rooms as well as public spaces that support those function rooms. To that end, we can accommodate all kinds of business. We look for corporate business during the week. We look for social business during the weekends and in the summer months. And of course, we participate in all the citywide conventions. And we hope that from at least the local and regional aspect that we can draw in some of the smaller associations to use the hotel as well. Legacy is a development company at its roots and has grown over the years to become an owner and operator of restaurants and an owner and operator of hotels. We've got 5 hotels now that we operate in the downtown market. So we have this cluster of availability, and so we can help support one another in terms of being able to accommodate groups and things of that nature. All of our properties are either relatively new or relatively newly renovated. So we have all new product as well. Downtown market now, we have about 1,200 guest rooms.